Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to lose weight and gain muscles. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. Most people trying to lose weight want a trim yet toned body. Oftentimes, traditional weight loss programs focus on cutting body fat and hitting lower numbers on the scale rather than gaining muscle. Body recomposition is an approach to weight loss that emphasizes the importance of not only losing fat but gaining muscle at the same time. Aside from trimming fat, using body recomposition techniques may help you increase strength and boost the number of calories you burn throughout the day. This video defines body recomposition and discusses its health benefits and how to start a body recomposition regimen. Body composition refers to the amount of fat and fat-free mass, muscle, bone and water your body contains. Analyzing body composition gives a better understanding of health than other screening methods that only factor in weight and height, such as body mass index, BMI. That's because your body fat percentage in relation to your muscle mass better reflects your overall well-being than just weight or BMI. Therefore, body recomposition focuses on body composition rather than weight. Unlike a standard diet, body recomposition is a lifestyle in which fitness and nutrition techniques lead to healthy changes in your body's ratio of fat to muscle. Recomposition means to form something again or in a different way, hence the term body recomposition. Though body recomposition has been used by athletes and weightlifters for quite some time, it has only recently gained traction with those simply trying to get fit and lose fat. Rather than simply aiming for weight loss, body recomposition focuses on decreasing body fat while simultaneously increasing muscle mass. Since body recomposition is more a lifestyle than a diet, there is no set protocol. Instead, those wanting to gain muscle while burning fat must commit to changing their diet and exercise regimens in ways that facilitate body recomposition. Rather than tracking weight on a scale, you should evaluate results by taking body circumference measurements and measuring body fat through methods such as skin-fold calipers. Those wanting to alter their body composition should use methods to increase muscle mass and cut fat. Though body recomposition principles can be used by anyone, methods vary depending on your body composition goal. From increasing your risk of many chronic diseases to damaging your emotional well-being and body image, excess body fat can negatively impact health in many ways. To lose body fat, a calorie deficit must be created, which can be achieved either by consuming fewer calories or expending more energy. However, cutting an extreme number of calories through very low-calorie dieting or engaging in hours of cardiovascular exercise don't necessarily preserve muscle mass. To lose fat while maintaining or building your physique, it's best to moderately decrease your calorie intake while incorporating exercises that build muscle mass into your routine, such as strength training. Moderately decreasing your calorie intake, cutting out processed foods and increasing protein and fiber intake are the best ways to lose fat while preserving muscle mass. While losing fat is important, maintaining or gaining muscle is key to changing your body composition. Focusing only on diet and neglecting exercise habits may result in a loss of muscle mass. It's vital to combine a healthy, lean body mass promoting diet with a fitness routine that supports muscle growth and maintenance. To build muscle, increase your protein intake to at least 0.73 grams per pound, it's 1.6 grams per kilogram, of body weight per day, and complete strength training exercises at least twice per week. Protein supplements such as whey protein powder can boost your protein intake and stimulate muscle growth. However, research shows that the most effective way to meet protein needs is through consuming whole food sources throughout the day. Hey, what do you think about recomposition? Are you going to try to do it? Or maybe you've tried to do it before? Share a comment. Body recomposition stresses the importance of gaining muscle while losing fat, which may decrease your risk of chronic disease and boost metabolism. Try increasing your protein intake to at least 0.73 grams per pound, it's 1.6 grams per kilogram, of body weight per day, and complete strength training at least twice per week. Body recomposition methods can be used by everyone from elite athletes to those simply looking for a healthy way to get in shape. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos and stay motivated every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.